to create a rotating border effect for a button. Set the button's color to background, number 000, to match the background color. Set the font color to color, #FFF, so that the text stands out. Remove the button's border with border, none. Now the button's border is invisible. To help with positioning, add an outline with outline, 4px solid #FFF. To achieve the rotation effect, we'll add a new animation using button, before. Set the background color of this element to yellow, but you can't see it yet because it lacks width and height. Add width, 100%, and height, 150%. It seems to extend far beyond the button's width and height because it's positioned relative to the body, not the button. So let's add position, relative, to the button. Now it looks good. Center the element inside the button with left, 50%, and top, 50%. Create a at keyframes animation to rotate the element in a full circle. Apply this animation to button, before. The rotation center is off. So adjust the transform origin to the center of the button. Currently, the rotating element is on top of the button. Set the z-index for the button to 1 and the rotating element to -2. To hide the overflow, add overflow, hidden, to the button. Now, we need to cover the extra parts inside the button. Modify button, after to add a background color of red. It's not visible yet because we need to set its width and height. Define a variable w, 2px, and use it to set the width and height with width, calc, 100% var w, *2, and height, calc, 100% var w, *2. Position this element with left var w and top var w. It's currently covering the button text, so adjust its z-index to -1. Change the color to match the button's color, and finally remove the outline. The corners are square right now. Make them rounded by inheriting the parent element's border radius. And there you go, it looks great.